Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a few days since I've uploaded my last video, and first of all I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who subscribed and everyone who has watched and liked the video and anyone who's left a comment. I really appreciate it. But I just wanted to give you an update on what is going to be happening on my channel going forward. I've got a couple of videos in mind, the first of which is going to be released this Thursday, and it's going to be a tutorial on how to use Illustrator, and it's 27 key basic skills for anyone who's never used Illustrator before. The second part is going to be a series of videos concentrating on trims and details that you can use on your garments. So this will be like buttons, press snaps, zips, anything like that. Every Tuesday and Thursday, a new video within that series will be released. There's about 6 videos just to cover the key things, but I have uploaded the finished document on Etsy. So if you want to go and look at it now, follow the links in my description below and you can look at it there. But this is a really good starter pack if you're just getting into design to sort of download if you want it, and then you can just pull things off the board that you want and then you can put them on your garments going forward. So don't forget, this Thursday is the first video of my Illustrator tutorials and it covers all the basics. So if you like this video, click that beautiful red subscribe button and also give it a thumbs up, it's a massive help. Leave any comments you've got in the description below. Follow me on social media, so you've got Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also check out that Etsy shop. There'll be loads of things posted on there over the next few weeks, so just check it out. Alright, okay, thanks. Tra tra tra. Bye!